Hello students, today we are going to learn the second chapter, that is articles. So first of all we will see the definition of article. See here, an article is a word that modifies or describes the noun. It is called as an article. It is used before the noun to show whether it refers to something specific or not. It is called as an article. So there are three articles, a and the. So first of all we will see the diagram of articles. See, there are the two kinds of the articles. First one is the definite and second one is indefinite article. Okay, so among these three articles, a and the is the definite article. Okay, the is the definite article, and a and these two are considered as a indefinite article. So what is the meaning of definite and indefinite? See here, the clear about something, that is called as the article. It means if there is a particular thing, unique thing, at that time you use the article. And if not clear about something, it means if the particular thing or person is not clear, at that time we can use a or and, these two articles. Okay, now we will see where to use a and the article in short. First of all, a article is used before consonant sound. Okay, so as you know, there are the 5 vowels in English: a, e, I, o, u. A, E, I, O and U. So other than these 5 vowels, rest of the consonant sound. For example, B for boy. So in front of boy we can use a article, a boy. So that is not clear as per the definition of indefinite article. Okay, next one, an. What is an? We use an article before the vowel sound. Vowel means there are the 5 vowels in English language: A, E, I, O, U. So the word starts with this vowel sound, then we have to use an article. For example, elephant, or you can take the example of apple, an apple. Okay, so we are going to use an article before the words which starts from these 5 vowel. And then the is used before particular thing, particular or unique. Okay, as per the definition, means that person, thing is clear. Okay, or that may be the particular or unique. At that time we can use the article. So in this way there are the two types of the articles: definite article, indefinite article. Definite article is the indefinite articles are a and an. The article is cleared, and if there is not clarity, at that time we can use a or an article. So after that we will see the usage of articles. First of all, a and an. Now we will see one by one. In the sense of one, for example, can you wait a minute? Article. Okay, can you wait a minute? Then second, in the sense of each and every. For example, the cloth is ₹70 a meter. A meter. Here we can use a article. Third one, to say what somebody's job is. For example, my uncle is a pilot. A pilot. Okay, at that time we can use a article. Next rule, 4 number. For example, see. For example, this is the word university. So here U, it means that is the vowel sound. Okay, but in front of that we are going to use a article, means a university. Why? Though if this is the vowel sound, then as per the rules what we have to use here? An university, right? An university. But it is wrong. Why? So please keep it in your mind. Here, ear, okay? Ear sound is there. Ear means Y, and Y is a consonant sound. So we are going to use here a university instead of an university. So an university is a wrong. We have to use a article in front of university. Then next, fifth number, an here again, see, here is a consonant sound, that is the H. We have seen here, if there is a consonant sound, then we have to use which article? A article. For example, like this, R. But instead of using an, we have used here, as per the rule, we have used here a article, but it is a wrong. Why? Because H is silent. Okay, so the pronunciation of this word is our. A sound is there. So instead of that, instead of using a article, we are going to use an article because there is the A sound. Okay, so if there are these 5 vowels are there, then we are going to use here an hour. So it is a very important rule. Please keep it in your mind. And then last, 6th one, abbreviations. Okay, abbreviations means what? The short form. For example, EMP. So see here again, EM sound is there. EM means that is the consonant. So we are going to use here a EMP, right? Not right here. It is a wrong because as per the sound M. Okay, so here we are going to use an article, an MP, Member of Parliament. The long form of this word is Member of Parliament. That is the abbreviation of Member of Parliament, that is MP. Then before the M, because of the sound, A sound is there, M. So A, that is the, here, all these are the vowel sounds. So we are going to use here an article. An is the right. So in this way, we have seen these 6 uses of the and an article. Now next, we are going to see the next, the article. Usage of the article. Now see next, the one, a particular noun, particular. I met him at the station. The station means that station is the particular, the station. Actually name is not mentioned there, the person who is speaking about that station, that is the particular. So that we are going to use there the article. I met him at the station. Then next, second one. Only one thing means unique. Unique thing. For example, the Taj Mahal. Okay, it is the only one thing, that is the unique. So we are going to use there the article, the Taj Mahal. Then third, represents the whole class. For example, the dog is an honest animal, means all over the world all dogs are honest. Okay, so that dog represents the whole class. So we are going to use here again the article. Then next, fourth one, superlatives. Superlatives. This is the degree. For example, tall, taller, and tallest. So this is known as the superlative degree. So before the superlative degree, we are going to use the article, the tallest. Then next, fifth one, ordinals. Ordinals means just like as the first, the second, whatever. Okay, so if ordinal are there, then you have to use the articles. Then next, adjectives. If adjectives are there, There also you have to use the article. For example, we must help the blinds. Okay, so the blinds. So in front of this adjective we are going to use the article. And last one, that is the musical instrument. Musical instruments. For example, the Casio. We are going to use the article before musical instrument. So these are the rules. In front of we are going to use the article. So in this way I have explained the articles. There is the definition, as well as there are the kinds, as well as we have seen the usage of the articles. So I hope students you have understood the concept of articles. Thank you very much.